Owning 12 HR templates is easy. Knowing which one to open on Monday morning is the hard part. And it is the reason a 12 template kit so often turns into 12 half-finished spreadsheets by March. This bundle solves that, and it is worth being specific about how. Everything here is one of two things. 7 workbooks analyze the team. What good looks like in each role, who can actually do it, where the training gaps are, whether the work survives someone being out for 2 weeks, and who is ready for more. 5 workbooks run the team, a structured first 90 days, one-on-ones that carry actions forward, goals you can measure, a review cycle that calibrates fairly, and the words for when you have to write it all down. These are not samples. Everyone is a complete product that sells on its own, and you are getting the same files, unchanged, plus a 13th that only comes with the bundle. That 13th file is the People Ops Command Center, and this is its most useful tab. Rate 12 statements from 0 to 3. Each gap is weighted by what it actually costs a small team to get wrong, then ranked, then matched to the exact workbook that closes it. In the worked example, the ranking pulls succession planning to first, even though the default plan had it in week 8. Your scorecard beats the default every time. From there, it becomes a plan. Type 1 start date, and every week's target computes from it. Each row flags itself as done, due now, upcoming, or overdue against today. So a week that slips is visible instead of quietly forgotten. It is sized for a manager who has a day job. The rollout ends after 12 weeks. The rhythm does not, and almost all of the value is in the rhythm. Record when you last ran each workbook, and the calendar computes the next due date, the days until, and a flag that turns before you notice the slip. A quarterly cycle cannot drift into an annual one without you seeing it. Type your team in once, and this table tells you exactly where that list goes. The tab, the cell, which columns map, and how many rows there is room for in each of the 12. They do not all take the same paste, and 5 of them hold live formulas right where you would naturally put one. Every workbook was opened and checked to build that table. Every one of the 12 sells on its own. Together they are one price once, and the workbook itself records each individual price and works out what the bundle saved you, so you can check the arithmetic rather than take our word for it. Edit those figures if any of them change. Everything opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice with one-click copies for sheets. You buy the files once and you keep them. Edit the formulas, print the wall charts, share them across your organization. They still work if you stop paying anyone anything, including us.